this product is leaving us now. Someone ordered for this and we just packaged it for the person. It's leaving now. You can see it's a complete set. So if you're interested in this set, we can also send it to you. This is a glow set. So with this set, you have a bright skin, a glowing skin, a healthy skin. It doesn't just give you a glowing just like that. It also repairs your skin to bring out that natural baby skin tone that you have. So you can repair your skin with this set. It's a complete set. Here you have a lotion, glow lotion, you have a Snow White soap, you have flawless body scrub. Here we have a facial cleanser, we have a glow oil, body oil. We also have a facial soap. Our face soap is there, and our repair face cream is also there. So if you are interested in these products, just send us a message as quick as possible to receive yours.